Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the VSee Clinic app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. VSee Clinic is a telehealth platform designed to connect patients with healthcare providers through secure video consultations. It offers virtual waiting rooms, appointment scheduling, file sharing, and integration with EMR systems. Patients can join visits with a simple link, while providers can manage consultations, intake forms, and patient messages, all in one place. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate the app's clean layout and how easy it is to connect for appointments, even without creating an account. Video and audio quality are generally stable, and the process of joining a visit is straightforward for most patients, even those not tech-savvy. Doctors find the customizable clinic settings helpful, and clinics with multiple providers can manage patient flow efficiently. However, there are a few downsides. Some users report technical glitches like freezing video or occasional login issues. Notifications can also be delayed, and the interface may feel slightly outdated compared to newer telemedicine apps. A stable internet connection is critical, as video quality can drop on slower networks. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, VSee Clinic is a strong option for remote healthcare, especially for clinics seeking a customizable virtual consultation tool. While there's room for improvement in design and stability, it delivers where it counts: accessibility, security, and ease of use for both patients and providers. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.